fam, happy Valentine's Day. To all the couples out there, I hope you've had a wonderful celebration. And to my single ladies, keep celebrating you. This Valentine, I want to do something different than the usual pink, rose gold, or purple shade. So I went in with a beautiful green halo eye makeup, and I'm definitely sharing this with you guys. For my eyebrows, I'm using the ABH Deep Brow Pomade eyebrow gel and fixing up my skin with a good damask rose water. I'm applying the Brenna Beauty Healthy Glow Sample Foundation as a base primer and setting it up with the Laura Mercier Honey Translucent Powder. As a transition shade, I'm using the shade called All Heart from the It Cosmetic Naturally Pink palette, and a good blend always helps create a great shade on that. For the Hello inspired look, I'm using the Huda Beauty Pastel Mint palette and applying it on the inner and outer corner of my eyes, and I'll always keep working on it until I'm very happy with the way it looks. Now taking this light lime green shimmer shade, I'm applying them on the middle part of my eyeballs. Since I'll be going in with falsies, I'm not going to go in too much on my mascara. So I wanted to try out the Brenna Beauty sample foundation that was given to me a couple of weeks ago. And when I apply them on my skin, I realized that it's actually one tone lighter than my skin tone. So I'm going to go in with the Tarte Tan Skin Stick Foundation to sort of like neutralize the entire makeup look, because I think this shade is like really very bright on the skin. To perfect the entire look, I'm gonna go in with a red lipstick today, and I'm using the MAC Ruby Woo lipstick. So I'm gonna mix this with the Laura Mercier Heroine Velo lipstick, and I'm super duper loving this combo. I think it's really brilliant how this lipstick turned out to be. And since Ruby Woo is a matte lipstick, I'm adding in a pinch of gloss to it, and I'm using the MAC lip gloss as a gloss. So we have come to the end of our video. I hope you guys enjoyed this entire look, and if you do, please give me a thumbs up, and happy Valentine's Day once again, guys, and see you in my next video. Bye.